Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is another exciting episode of my YouTube channel, and I'm going to show you how to make $3 per hour. I made this video for people who are very serious, who want to make some money online. Please, if you are not serious, don't bother to watch this video, because I need people who are very serious, who want to make money online. I want people who are hustling to watch this video, and it's going to help you a lot to earn money online. It's very simple and exciting to earn $3 per hour from doing nothing, just typing some small captures. And this website is legit. It's not a scam. They are going to pay you. Everything is cool, guys. I love this website. So if you want to earn money from this website, very simple. Just go to your web browser, either Google or Google Chrome, then type in truecapture.com. Please watch the symbol very well, because there are other websites which are like this, but they are scams. So please take a very good note of this website. So this is how it looks like if you come here. But first you have to sign in, and for that it's very simple. Sign in. As you can see, I have signed up. Yes, I have signed up. If you new, if this is your first time trying to use this website, you have to sign up. After that, you sign. As you can see, I have signed. So you click on this button here, and because you want to make money fast, just go to start work. They'll send you here. As you can see, my balance, I have 4 cents, and I made this 4 cents in just 10 minutes, sorry, just 10 minutes. So imagine, if you are very serious and you want to make some money online, you can even make more than $3 per hour. As you can see, your account has been put into sleep mode. Please press start to continue. If you press start, this is how it's gonna look like. Captures will come. Open your eyes. You have to type in a correct captcha, otherwise, because they are paying you, if you don't do it well, they are going to ban your account. So please make sure you type in the correct captcha. As you can see, there's a captcha here. So as you can see, I'll type in the captcha is C. You have to open your eyes well, otherwise. And one thing you must note is that you have to be fast, because there is time on it, but they will not tell you maybe there is 30 seconds or what. So you have to do it fast, otherwise they will freeze your account for some minutes. As you can see, this session right now, I've earned some amount of money just solving I've just even entered 3 captures, as you can see, and I'm earning a lot. So if you're serious, as I said, I need serious people to watch videos. So please be serious. If you want to earn some real cash, please use this website, and please don't forget to subscribe and watch the video till the end. Subscribe, because guys, there is more websites which are legit, they pay well, and I'm going to show you all the websites in my upcoming video. So please don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to share with you my secret to earning online. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. As you can see, I'm solving these captures very fast. If you don't do it fast, they are going to freeze your account. As you can see, For every capture, every single capture you serve, you earn some amount. You earn some amount. Please and please be serious. I've just solved 7 captures, and look, as you can see. So at the end of the day, you just spend 4 hours of your time, and you're going to solve more captures and you get more money. As you can see, let me show you. Let me just waste time on this, and let me show you how you're going to freeze account and how you can revive it. It's just simple. As you can see, your account has been put on hibernation. Let's start to continue. If this happens, all you have to do is just press start, but make sure you enter the correct captcha, otherwise they are going to ban your account. Please and please make sure you enter the correct captcha. Thank you guys for watching the video to the end. I love you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to receive more updates and more new videos. Show you my secret earning online. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye.